Hi friends, today in this video I'm going to show you the propeller, how to put in the right place, and many of you don't know after taking out those stickers and you're confused. So let's see. Let's say this propeller you don't know where you will put, but one tricks. Here you can see it's marked with silver color. There you can see the silver color, and also there you can see also silver, it's marked. So it's easy to recognize and you can put there. Take the propeller and make it together like this. Just you have to push a little bit and turn it right, and you will check, you will see that okay, it's turning, it's okay. And here is the another propeller. Here you can see no color and no marked, so it's black color. It's the same thing, you can see there also it's black color, no silver color, so it's matching together. It's the same thing, put it together and then put in a right place, push it. There you push it and see if it is locked.